Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo phone guys status bar setting. And today friends I am going to show you in this video how to show network speed on your status bar. Friends, you want to show network speed on your status bar, so friends, how to show network speed one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, first of all, we will on phone setting to show network speed. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. So friends, click here notification and status bar. Friends, you want to off, you want to on any app notification, so you can on and you can off from your app notification on your device. So friends, click here status bar setting, real time network speed. After on friends real time network speed setting friends, you can on your mobile network and you can connect any Wi-Fi network and you can check your network speed. So friends, click here and guys connect your Wi-Fi. Friends, after connect Wi-Fi, you can check password, connect you. After connect friends, you can see network speed will show on status bar. So friends, you want to show your network speed, your Wi-Fi network speed, your mobile network speed, you can show. And friends, if you off your network speed, so friends, you can see network speed will not show on status bar. You want to show guys your real-time network speed, your data speed, your Wi-Fi network speed, so you can on and you can check your network speed on your Oppo mobile. So like that friends, we can on network speed on Oppo mobile and we can use. And friends, you don't want to use, you can turn off from here. So bye friends, I hope friends you understood how to show phone network speed on status bar. So bye friends, thanks for watching.